Lesson 8, Applications of Z-scores. So example 1. A company produces bungee cords. The mean of the cords is 45.2 centimeters. The standard deviation is 1.3 centimeters. Cords are rejected if they are shorter than 42 centimeters or longer than 48. So if we just sketch the normal curve, our mean is 45.2. If they are less than 42 or greater than 48, they are rejected. So everything shaded is rejected. So we want to figure out how many cords are rejected. The percent. So first thing we need to do is we need to calculate the z-score for x to be 42 and then again for x to be 48. So z is equal to 42 minus 45.2 divided by 1.3. And you should get negative 2.46. And if you bring up your z-score chart, negative 2.46 is 0.0069. I'll just move that down here for now. So right here, so this is negative 2.46 standard deviations away, and the percent is 0.0069. So if you times that by 100, that's 0.69%. So right here is 0.69%. Now we're going to find the other side. So x equals 48, z is equal to 48 minus 45.2 divided by 1.3, and you get 2.15. So you have your charts. 2.15 is 0.9842. So we don't want the left of this number. We want to the right of this number. So 1 minus 0.9842 is 0.0158 times 100 is 1.58%. So this section right there is 1.58%. So we want to know how many, the percent of the cords rejected. So we're going to take 0.69 plus 1.58, and you get 2.27%. So 2.27% of cords are rejected. Of cords are rejected. Part B says that if you have 20,000 cords, how many cords are rejected? So we're going to take 2.27 and we're going to change it to a decimal. So move the decimal 2 to the left, so 0.027, and you're going to multiply that by the total number of cords. And your answer should be 454. So 454 cords are rejected out of 20,000 cords. That is really messy. But I said it out loud. So 454 cords are rejected out of 20,000 cords. There you go. Example 2. A manufacturer of video games offers warranty. The average span of the games is 32.4 months. Standard deviation is 6.3 months. They want to offer repairs to less than 1.5%. So we don't know our x. So sketch your curve. 32.4 is in the middle. We want this area right here. So we don't know what X is, but we know that it's 1.5%. So 0.0150. So move the decimal twice. So we need to find Z to equal that percent. So bring out your Z-score chart. So as you look on the chart, you find this value, 0.150, that's exact. So that means that our number for Z is negative 2.17. So we're going to use that for Z to calculate our X value. So write out the formula. Z is equal to X minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Negative 2.17 is equal to X minus 32.4 over 6.3. Now we're going to solve for X. So we're going to multiply both sides by 6.3. So negative 2.17 times 6.3 equals X minus 32.4. We're going to add 32.4 to both sides. So we have negative 2.17 times 6.3 plus 32.4. And your final answer is 18.729. So that means here is 18. So after 18 months is the correct time for warranty that will only be 1.5%. So the video game company should offer warranty of 18 months. That way, they're only having to pay for 1.5% of video games that are broken.